Okay, this is the upstairs floor. You can see we're almost finished. Still have a couple of details. Custom molding. And let me show you what it looks like now, the apartment. Ten-foot ceilings instead of 7.5. This is the bathroom. We haven't started it yet. So you could say this is still pretty raw. But everything else here, just touch-ups that we have to do now. This is what we call the baby room. 13 by 13, it's a pretty big room. All the custom molding. And this is a master bedroom. We decided to go with a light gray for the top and white for the bottom half. This room we extended it, so we made it 17 by 17. So it's a pretty big room. That's where the TV is gonna go. Underneath, we're not finished yet, but you can see all the outlets and custom speaker outlets. So it's gonna look pretty nice, this entertainment system. And then this is their closet. Now all the doors in this floor are 8-foot doors. So they're pretty big doors.